We will cover irregular French verbs under both the future and conditional in this lesson. All verbs, whether regular or irregular, use their same stem for both the future and conditional. To that stem you add the future or conditional endings afterwards. For ayer verbs, they apply their y to I stem change to their stem prior to adding the future or conditional endings. So for nettoyer, we have nettoyere, nettoyera, nettoyera, nettoyero, nettoyere, nettoyeron. Under the conditional, nettoyere, 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 nettoyerion, nettoyerier, nettoyerai. These are the future and conditional stems for ayer verbs with a y to I stem change. For ayer verbs such as payer, the y to I stem change is optional. So for ayer verbs, you can use either the regular or irregular future or conditional stem. Double consonant verbs apply their spell change to the infinitive stem prior to adding the future or conditional endings. So for appeler, we have appellerai, appellera, appellera, appelleron, appellerai, appelleron, appellerai, 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 appellerion, appellerier, appellerai. And these are the future and conditional stems for double consonant verbs. If the E in the infinitive is not accented, then accent grave E verbs will apply their spell change in the future and conditional stem. So for acheter we have achetere, achetera, achetera, acheteron, achetere, acheteron, achetere, 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 acheterion, acheterier, achetere. These are the future and conditional stems for accent grave E verbs without an accent in their infinitive. If the infinitive has an E with an acute accent, then the accent grave is optional for the future and conditional stem. The future and conditional stems for quérir verbs end in a double R. For acquérir we have acquérer, acquéra, acquéra, acquéron, acquéré, acquéron, acquéré, 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 acquérion, acquérier, acquéré. Here are some more future and conditional stems for quérir verbs. Savoir and valoir have their own types of future and conditional stems. For savoir, we have sore, sora, sora, soron, sore, soron, sore, 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 sorion, sorie, sore. For valoir, we have vaudre, vaudra, vaudra, vaudron, vaudre, vaudron, vaudre, 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 vaudrion, vaudrier, vaudre. The verbs that have three stems in the present tense also have their own types of irregular future and conditional stems. For mouvoir, we have mouvre, mouvra, mouvra, mouvron, mouvre, mouvron, mouvre, 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 mouvrion, mouvrier, mouvre. And there are several other verbs which have their own unique kinds of irregular future and conditional stems. For avoir, ore, ora, ora, oron, ore, oron, ore, 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 orion, orie, ore. And we have the impersonal verbs falloir and pleuvoir, which are only conjugated in the il form. Il faudra, il faudrait. Il pleuvra, il pleuvrait. And that covers irregular French verbs under the future and conditional. I again apologize for any mispronunciations I may have, as I am not a French speaker. As I always say, if you could please do me a favor and share this video series with your friends and teachers, I would very much appreciate that. And that is all for now, so until next time.